You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make apartment sales and customer allocation. So this is a Visual Basic project. So we'll explain the complete project here, what are things are available, how to make this project and how to demonstrate. All this will be explained so in this video. So language is Visual Basic and the backend is SQL Server. So both are available when you install Visual Studio 2019. So there's a community edition. You can download this from Microsoft website. So it's a free edition. So therefore you can always use the community edition. So to download, just go to browser. Then here you can search Visual Studio. So when you click this, so it'll take to the Microsoft website, and here is a community edition and you can download from here. So we demonstrate this in Visual Basic, but still you can develop this project in Visual C Sharp or in Java or in Android or in Python, or you can make it also web application. So that all depends, like once you know the concept, so easily we can deploy in any of the languages. So okay, so we'll start Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio. So this is 2019, presently it's a community edition. Right, and you are using SQL Server here. And to view the SQL Server, go to View menu, and here you can see that Server Explorer. And here we created a civildata.mdf. There is a database file, and here these are the tables. So totally we have around 9 tables in this particular project. So what are the data you enter? It should come to this table, and it should be stored in these tables. Fine. Let us run the project first. So the welcome screen. So here you can redesign that, and here is a login form. So with that background, there is an apartment here. So you can see that not a login, you have to give the right password, and if you give the wrong password, it will tell you like please enter the correct password. Because this go to the database and check, I'll cross verify this user ID and this password is already present or not. Right, so this is an MDI form. Here is a menu. So in this menu we have a building type. So what are the individual type actually, so that we can write it is a individual house. Let's say you can say penthouse. So you can write more about penthouse here. Right, so individual apartment. So like that we can create all the data. So this is about the type of the building it is. You can write villa. So all that we can write it over there. So this is the data grid view. If I click the data again, the data will come back to the text boxes. Now we can able to modify, and then you can delete also. Same way you can go to apartment details. So here is the, you can give the apartment. What is the apartment name? So that you can give. Let's say Max Sky. So Max Sky is the apartment name. So it's a new apartment with all facilities. Something like no, particularly this apartment you need to describe here. So address where exactly this will come, that we need to write down here. So let's check Bangalore, then have a pin code. So number of apartments or houses. So it's around 120. So what are the facilities houses? 2 BHK, 2 bedrooms, 1 hall, 1 kitchen. So more you can write here like. So this is about the apartment. Okay? So here you can see that 3, 6, 7, 8 fields are there, and correspondingly in the database we supposed to have 8 fields. So if I go to that apartment details here, so you can see that we have 8 fields here, and if you right click and if you say show table data, what are the data is entered, that we can able to see here like. So here we have the data. What are the data we enter? We can able to see it here like. So this is the previous one. So both are there here. Right. Next one, building details and individual apartment details here. So this is APT101. Location or apartment, main apartment is a Max Sky, and fine, approximately around 80,000. They need to make a installment every month. So now we can save this. Data is saved. So next is the payment. So when you go to this particular payment, here you can select this apartment number. So 80,000. So if there is any other charges to pay, you have to enter the other charges. Otherwise, you can say that received amount. Save. So that means we have received the money from this particular apartment, particularly APT 101. So based on that, you can have a report. So here is a building list. One more is a customer list. The one more is the payment list. What are the payment received? That list will come. So we can take the printout of it. So these are the options which are available in this project. So as for the mini project is concerned, I think if you do this much, we'll do the job. So we have separate videos for like how to write the code for login form, how to make a MDI form, how to make child form. A lot of things are there. Apart from this, if you're looking for something else, please communicate with us. Please write it in the comment box. So let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.